Air Chief Marshal Zaheer Ahmed Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, visited National Defence University, Islamabad, to address the course participants. On his arrival, the worthy Air Chief was received by Lieutenant General Asif Ghafoor, President, National Defence University, Islamabad. While addressing the audience, the Air Chief appreciated the quality of academic stimulus and level of training imparted at the university. Referring to the regional geopolitical environment, Chief of the Air Staff said that Pakistan Air Force is fully cognizant of the security challenges and is actively pursuing its operational development plans amidst the ever-evolving dynamics of modern warfare. He expressed his confidence in the combat potential of the armed forces and said that the tri-services will always remain poised to defend the territorial integrity and sovereignty of the nation. CAS highlighted that present military leadership of Pakistan is cohesively working hand in glove to address present and future challenges. He also shared the dynamic initiatives of PF leadership aimed at cultivating cutting-edge human resource, revamping of training, and fostering of indigenous capabilities in order to ensure its personnel are equipped with the necessary knowledge and capabilities to succeed in the evolving battlefield environment. Reiterating PF's commitment to integrating state-of-the-art technologies through fast-paced smart inductions, the Air Chief highlighted the cutting-edge technological advancement accrued by these recent acquisitions and their unprecedented short time-frame operationalization. Chief of the Air Staff also shared the organization's vision to evolve into a potent next-generation Air Force and showcase the progress achieved by Pakistan Air Force in the emerging domains of cyber and space, demonstrating the commitment of PF leadership to ensure an impregnable defense of the country. He reiterated that PF attaches utmost importance to the character building of its human resource, operational preparedness, and reaffirmed that Pakistan Air Force is ready to respond to any challenge to the national security with a firm resolve to remain true to its legacy as second to none.